Hi, I'm Christina.
And I'm Randy. Are you ready for an adventure?
Come see our journey today as we go to the Proud Bird.
With a golden tail. Proud Bird. Food. In this video, we will be visiting the Proud Bird restaurant, located on Aviation Boulevard, right at the flight path for the LAX runway. In the back area of this restaurant, you feel like you can touch the planes as they land. If you could, please like and subscribe and tell a friend about our channel. We sure would appreciate it.
Proud Bird. It's Food Bazar and it's got an event center.
Originally built as a full-service restaurant, the Proud Bird closed and reopened as a food bazaar and event center. It is located on Aviation Boulevard next to the flight path for the Los Angeles International Airport. When you're a guest of this restaurant, you're offered a front row view of planes approaching LAX for a landing.
Okay, so they're open Monday through Thursday, 11 to 7. Friday, Saturday, 11 to 9. And Sunday is 10 to 7.
We weren't exactly sure what to expect when we first walked in, but soon we learned it has been laid out very similar to a modern-day food court, and even though they serve alcohol, it is very family-friendly. Kevin Bludso is an American chef, restaurateur, and television personality. He opened up Bludso's BBQ in 2008 and has expanded to Hollywood, Melbourne, Australia, and here at the Proud Bird.
Got some smoky goodness going on at Bludso's BBQ. We go from Bludso's BBQ to Farmer's Market to handheld tasty burgers, Asians, which has a salmon teriyaki bowl, which sounds amazing.
For another reference, Kevin Bludso serves as a judge on the Netflix series The American Barbecue Showdown.
Then they got teas and cocktails in the bar. And you order right under that orange sign. It says there's kiosks.
Doing a business.
Yeah, the bar is doing a business. And they got a play area outside for kids. In-flight bar menu on the Mile High Club. Aviation cocktails. Wet your whistle. Tibana's tea. That's cool.
So you order by the kiosk.
For all of the different foods. Where'd it go? Oh, here. See, like you can order from the barbecue place, then they have sides, and then you can order from the chicken and waffles, and then you can order from a salad and soups.
Using the kiosk, we ordered the beef brisket sandwich, and Christina got a chicken sandwich. We also got the jalapeno poppers and loaded tater tots. There are a lot of different food options to choose from, and also a lot of drink options to choose from. Everything gets picked up at gate 1. That's where the food ends up.
What a view. Kids can play outside, you can sit with a cocktail, and you can watch the planes come in. Or take off, depending on where you're at. How cool. This is really good.
Good loaded chicken. Tater tots. Jalapeno poppers. Just outside the window, there's also a nice place for the kids to play. Saudi Arabia.
Yeah.
See how it used to be a big high-end restaurant.
High-end restaurant, huh? Nice.
The Proud Bird originally opened in 1967 as a salute to the achievement in aviation. The restaurant was a high-end place with a bar and lounge area located upstairs, with the restaurant itself being downstairs.
That was Polish Airways, so that came from Poland.
Right on the runway. Right on the runway because we're at the Proud Bird. The upper windows of the restaurant are where the original lounge area that had headsets plugged into the wall so you could listen to the plane pilots chatter with the tower. It was a very innovative concept at the time.
Aero Mexico. How cool is that? Proud Bird.
The Proud Bird.
Yeah. Of LAX, another Blue Angel, number 4. And then we have somebody coming in for a landing. That's pretty cool.
The high-end restaurant near the airport would not hold up in today's environment, so it's great that they made the change to the food Bazar.
But it looks like they're headed right for it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And here she comes, right down the flight path. I could sit here and do this all day.
The original origin of the Proud Bird name was inspired by the 1960s Continental Airlines marketing slogan, which was the Proud Bird with the golden tail. Continental Airlines had all of their planes painted with a gold tail with hopes that it would reinforce the airline's image of high quality and elaborate service. If you enjoyed our vlog, please subscribe.
And ring that notification bell.
And give us a like. It lets us know you care.
And we'll see you in the next one.
Bye-bye.
Bye.